Alright, weenies. Got my helper helping me today. He's digging this hole here for me and getting him some seat time in. He does pretty good with this little machine, but he needs a little more time. You know, he's getting there. More he's on it, the better he'll be, I guess. But we're over here on this farm working a little bit on my project. I had to work today part of the day. I actually ended up leaving early because my father-in-law and mother-in-law got in a wreck. But guys, this is where I grew up pretty much over in here. There's a barn over there on top of that hill that you see, and from my home place you can see that barn very well. My home place is down in the holler from that barn. So yep, where I grew up, guys, it's pretty country up in here. I know that. I mean, that's a beautiful, the mountain and the sky is beautiful. But we're working around here, get this dirt dug out here, and a few little things we got to do, and we'll be back. Hang tight. Who says the groundhog can't dig a big hole? That's a pretty good sized hole. Not deep enough yet, but you know, getting there. Well, there you go, weenies. That's what happens. Our little branch of our pipe back here at the swamp project washed out. So, a lot of wasted time there. It's alright. I guess we get to fix it back. He got plenty of dirt to put over it. Just, I don't know why he didn't let me do that before, the last time I was here, but alrighty, that'll work. Let's go to the next one. Alright, weenies, so we got the groundhog out here working. I'm videoing today, so he got a wad of stuff here that has come from down here, cleaning this little area up, and we're cleaning this little area right here up, build the fence back down through here. We pulled this tree limb out of this tree this morning. It had broke out and was falling down, so we pulled it out. I gotta cut it over here, get it up that rock wall, then we can clean all this right here up. The fence has got to go out past that light pole over there, and then it'll come back up there at that big tree and go up the hill and back out. We was gonna put it down through there, but that's a rock bluff out through there and you can't. So we're gonna do that, clean this little area out, try to clean that out, and then we gotta get started on the building pad up on top. So I'm just trying to get the fence built in here to where nobody can get in here, because we'll be leaving equipment in here and stuff, and parking trailers up there, and we don't want nobody being able to get in and out. So we got another job. There's the vehicle. There's a house right over there. We got a job over there to do. Y'all get to see that. That'll be coming up too. And a few little odds and ends to do, but it's coming along, weenies. Alright guys, so new project here. We're cleaning this little branch out, straight line the back side of it, all the way down through here, down to the pond. And interesting, we got a good start. We got a stump out this morning, and a little swampy. Good place to get hung up at, but he's wanting it straightened up back to the property line, moved over, and we're getting there. Gotta go just a little bit further right there where the machine's at, and then we'll come back down here and start, and we'll go on down to the ponds. We gotta dig that stump out right there, and I'll try to get some of this on video so we do what we're doing. So Interesting job. They like Bigfoot on his garage there. I like that. Walk down here and let you guys see the pond. And you got 2 ponds here. Pretty neat. So he's got this pond right here, and then it feeds the next pond down there. So it's going to turn a little muddy, I'd say, because that branch is what feeds this pond. So yeah, there's a little mud coming in right there now. Right here in the corner is where it feeds in. So branch is good and muddy down through here. Maybe nobody calls the bad people on me, I don't know, but pretty cool. We're just gonna go to the corner right there of the pond. We're gonna stay back off of the pond. So these ponds are real pretty. When they was first put in here, a guy had them stocked with fish, and somebody was spraying up on top of the hill. Either over here or over there, they're spraying up on top of the hill, and it come down here and killed all the fish. So if you guys are ever, spraying and you got a pond with fish in it, I would be careful. But yeah, that's pretty deep. That's probably 10, 12 foot deep in the middle right there. You can see it. I don't know if you can see it in the camera or not, but I can see it. Pardon the wind, guys. A little windy today, but it is what it is. Stay tuned in, weenie. So we got a little cold this morning. So we're got the trailer back home. I went ahead and brought it back. I didn't leave it sitting up there because just being away. But anyways, the banger's sitting there, and it's been kind of busy here lately, guys. Sorry I ain't posted no more than I have, but I'll get you some more video on this project that I showed you there at the last. Get some more video on that when I start back. We're just trying to get a little bit of a start today, and we was rather successful at that. So stay tuned in, guys. They're giving some nasty weather, so it's pretty cold and windy today, and what we're doing, the rain don't help us. So thanks for watching, guys. Like, subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one. Sorry about the wind noise, but it is what it is. You weenies keep cranking.